Muna sir, the rise of fake news. The social media era has emerged a persisting societal challenge impacting communication, public perception, and democratic processes. This article examines the phenomenon of fake news in the context of social media platforms and explores its implication for individual and society. Drawing on a review of relevant scientific literature, the article delves into the psychological processes that contribution to spread the perception of misinformation. Additionally, it highlights the consequences of fake news, such as eroding public trust in media and institutions, distorting public opinion, and analyzes three pieces of fake news. Aiming to dissect the linguistic and narrative techniques employed to manipulate perception around COVID-19. It reveals how misinformation can influence public trust, circulate first, and distort the discourse on health and politics. It also explores existing studies to combat fake news, including media literacy, education, fact-checking initiatives, and responsible journalism, while emphasizing the need for innovative and collaborative future approaches by understanding the complexities of fake news and its impact in the social media era. This article aims to provide insight into developing informed contributions to mitigate its negative effect and promote a more trustworthy information environment.